What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Motor Town Behind the Wheel on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially with the latest games. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is to open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now go to the Steam website to locate this game, and after that we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search up the game Motor Town Behind the Wheel. Now select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and you will find a free demo which is available at Steam. But we would like to download the complete game. So as you can see, the price on Steam is €19.50, but don't worry, we got a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here, and once you have clicked on that you will be redirected to this website. Now the next step is to search up the same game Motor Town Behind the Wheel. Select the game and after that select games on the left side. Then sort by price lowest first and you will see this game which can be activated in your country. This text needs to be marked green. So select the game. After that you will find a price of just €17.60 compared to the price of €19.50. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The next step is to purchase this game on this website. After that you will receive an email confirmation including an activation key for Steam or a complete legit new Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!